Welcome to Healthcare Today. Nail is a part of our body beauty, but sometimes this nail can be a cause of agony. In some people, the nail becomes deformedly growth and they penetrates inside the skin and it causes significant painful situation. This type of nail are called ingrown toenail. People who have ingrown toenail, if we look at them, their nail, the normal nail looks like this, but in case of ingrown toenail, both this corner they dug inside the skin, and when they get dug inside the skin, nail grows and they pinches the skin and causes pain. Sometimes due to this pinching and the injury, this area can get infected and it can cause great agony to the persons who are affected. If you try to cure yourself by cutting this edge with a nail cutter, you cannot cure it. Why? Because these nails that we are seeing in front of us are not live, they are dead. The base of the area and the back, from there this nail are growing and coming forward. People in whom the ingrown toenail is there, in their cases their growing layer is far side extended. That's why the extra corner is growing and going inside the skin. So basically, if we have to cure the ingrown toenail, we have to remove this extra area of growth from where the nail is growing. If you can remove that area, then the ingrown toenail can be cured. So if you have ingrown toenail, don't try to cut by yourselves. Visit a specialist foot and ankle surgeon or a podiatrist to help you out. We care for you.